what's up you guys? It's your girl Haley, aka Frankie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Animal Kingdom. So today me and the fam are doing Winnie the Pooh, or me and the immediate fam. So a little fit check. This is from Amazon, this is from Amazon, this is from Etsy. Got the watch and some Converse.
Ears are from Etsy. This is all from Ross and Crocs.
Mom, do a fit check.
Ears are from Etsy. Bathing suit from Shein. Shorts are from, I don't know, and shoes are from
Nike.
Always finest hat. Amazon. Two cute shorts that I wore all day yesterday and I'm wearing again today.
And
Black Cement 3s.
yeah. It's Kevin. Hey. Kevin. Tell me why I'm low-key like out of breath already. Because we are trying to run to get to Expedition Everest because the wait time is only 5 minutes because it's like, what time is it? 9:42 and the park just opened 42 minutes ago. So yes sir. Whoa. Okay y'all, we're basically here. Wish us luck. How do you feel about it? Nervous. Okay, y'all, I'm sweating. That was so good. And now that I experienced it, we're going on it for the second time because, yeah, round 2, because the wait time is so low right now. And I'm gonna try and record it this time. Pray for me, y'all, and pray for yourselves because you might go flying. I don't know. Get ready to watch the best 2 minutes of your life. Or worse, I don't know. Hey, yo. Oh my God. Here we go. You're just gonna see our reactions. You're not gonna see the ride. That's so. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my God! Why am I still nervous? I've been on it already. Here we go. Whoa! We're going backwards. Oh my God! Ah! Oh! You can't see a thing. Oh my God. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. How do you feel? Wonderful. That was really good. And it was even better the second time. However, I didn't realize that the photo was gonna happen so fast. Like it happened right before the drop basically. And I thought it was gonna be during the drop. So I barely posed, but it's all right. Like it's hot today, but it's better than raining, so it's all right. I think we're gonna try and go to the rapids. We thought it was closed, but it's actually open, and hopefully eat because I'm really hungry. Okay guys, so we are eating from Yak and Yeti restaurant. I just got this side of chicken fried rice, and Logan also got that. We got some Sprite. Hey mom. There's also these birds. Please let me know what kind of birds these are because they're freaking me out. But we are in Safari right now. We also have a reservation at 2 to eat at Rainforest Cafe. So I'm pretty excited. Mom got a new whip. I woke up in a new Bugatti. Kilimanjaro Safari. I don't remember this. What is this? Oh! Oh my gosh! So this has the actual animals. Okay, so we're out. Huh? Monkeys? That was so fun, and I've never done that before. That was really unexpected. There is oh, lemurs!
Are they?
I don't know.
They're so cute.
Can you make up your mind of what they are?
I don't know what they are. Do I look like a zoologist? I reckon not.
Anyway, that was really fun though. How'd you like it? What?
Oh yeah, it was good.
I was not expecting the giraffes to be that close to us. That was really exciting. We are heading towards Rainforest Cafe right now. I'm excited to eat and sit down. In Rainforest Cafe. Oh, we're doing that. Okay.
And we have you at these 2 tables right here.
Thank you. I'm not too sure if you guys could hear or see me, but we are officially in Rainforest Cafe. And I already know what I want. Here's the menu. We got some monkeys lurking around. And it's just a cool vibe. We have 2 tables. Because our party is so big, we have 13 people, so it got split into 6 and 7. And I'm debating if I want to drink something.
We're gonna have crab.
We'll see. Okay guys, the food is here. I got a python pasta, which is penne, some grilled chicken, tomatoes, and parmesan. I also got myself a margarita. This is called the fusion margarita. What'd you get?
Rasta pasta.
Rasta pasta is crazy, and she's also sharing with me with this. Okay, y'all, we are walking to Avatar. We just finished our food. It was really good. I'm excited to see this Avatar land area place. So we've made it to Avatar land area. I don't know what it's called. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I don't even know if this video can encapsulate how pretty it is. Wow. Well, we're about to do an Avatar ride, and oh my gosh, hallelujah for AC, I just gotta say. Right now we are in like the lab. I don't really know. Eggs developing. We're about to enter into this room, and look at this like painting mural. Wow, this is so cool. Yeah, my mom's really whipping it in this motorized scooter, and she crashed into a gate. But how do you feel about that?
Embarrassed.
Don't feel embarrassed, Mom. Who cares? She killed it. I'm not gonna lie, pre-ride thoughts, I don't know what to expect, but I'm hoping that I don't get too nauseous, because some of the other fam went on this right before we had lunch, and they said that it was 3D, number 1, and single rider, and just, it was a lot. So I'm kind of nervous. How do you feel?
Just ate, right?
Yeah, we just ate. So I'm praying that we will be okay.
We might just have to close our eyes.
Yeah, I might have to. Yeah, so fun. Post-ride thoughts?
Oh, amazing. 10 out of 10 would recommend.
I was just about to say would recommend. However, if you do get motion sickness, it could be a problem. I usually get motion sickness, and it wasn't too bad, honestly. But you can always close your eyes, you know what I mean? But for sure, if you are an Avatar fan, 10 out of 10 would recommend. Please do it, because it was so much fun. We have made it to Dino Land. Wow, okay, lighting. Love this. Not us getting lost before we got here.
My bad.
We went all the way back to Asia Like, but oh my gosh.
We made it.
Whoa! Dino Bash. Okay. I have no idea where we're going. We found it. And now we are gonna go on this dinosaur exhibition, I believe. And I think it's just like, I don't even know how to explain it. A museum type?
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Polyaramus.
Dinorama. And there's Donald and Daisy. They're so cute. Okay, well that's the end of the vlog because it decided to storm as we were trying to exit anyway. Oh my gosh, we are soaked. It's a good thing that I am wearing a bathing suit right now, but do you see this mug? Wet. Thankfully the mascara wasn't dripping too bad, but she went like this. I said, why would you do that? Oh my gosh, the way we just sprinted out of the park is crazy. But anyway, I hope that you guys liked this video. Please like and subscribe and follow my Instagram and TikTok. That is linked in the description down below. Her TikTok, not her TikTok, her Instagram will also be down there. And don't forget, take that L and love yourself.